Everything you're looking at, the flour catching the light, the steam off the broth, that final bowl of noodles, none of it is real. No camera, no kitchen, no food stylist. The whole shot was generated on a single canvas. Most AI video falls apart because people throw one giant prompt at it. The secret to something this consistent is to think like a director. Storyboard first, lock the sequence, then give every model exact instructions. 3 pieces feed this video. Let's build them one by one. It starts with the character, because the moment her face or her outfit shifts between shots, the illusion breaks. So we pin her down in detail. A young East Asian woman, dark navy robe, hair in a low bun, and then generate a full character sheet. 4 views in one image. A close-up, the front, an action pose, and the back, all in GPT Image 2. Now there's one locked reference for who she is, so every shot after this points back to it. Same person, same costume, same light, every time. Next, the storyboard. 9 panels in order, like a comic strip of the whole recipe. Flour, water poured into the well, mixing, kneading, rolling it flat, slicing it into strands, into the pot, and the finished bowl. Each panel is one beat in the sequence, and it references the character, so those are her hands working the dough the whole way through. Then we lock the location. One rustic mountain kitchen, stone walls, herbs drying overhead, a wood-fired stove. Set it once, and every shot stays grounded in the same world instead of wandering off somewhere new. And here's where all the fine control comes together, the video prompt. We don't write it in one breath, we script it second by second. Every shot gets a time, the exact storyboard panel it pulls from, the camera move, and then the sound. Feed the character, the storyboard, and the location in as references, hand it all to Cedence, and out comes a fully directed shot. Every frame, every sound, built on one canvas.